Oregon's new Right to Repair Act isn't just good for consumers and local repair businesses, it's also a win for the planet. Thank you for joining us. I'm Matt Templeman. Madison Yeesh shows us how this law could make a big dent in reducing electronic waste and carbon emissions.
Every year, thousands of devices are discarded in Oregon, adding to the growing problem of electronic waste. The state's new Right to Repair Act aims to change that.
85% of the energy associated with a smartphone comes from its manufacturing and transportation. So almost, a small percentage of it is from actual usage. And so we estimate that if every Oregonian were able to extend the life of their phone by just a year, it would be the equivalent of removing 8,100 cars off the road in terms of carbon emissions.
Environmental advocates say that repairing electronics not only reduces waste, but it also cuts down on the energy and resources needed to produce new electronics. It's a step towards a more sustainable future. By requiring manufacturers to provide parts and tools for repairs, the law aims to encourage Oregonians to repair their electronics as opposed to throwing them away. Plus, it'll reduce waste for independent repair shops because they won't have to dispose of as many parts.
Reducing e-waste as much as we can because it's one of our biggest problems, not just in our country, but worldwide. Like the amount of electronic waste that I have to send out to recycling that can't be reused is horrible, and it's astonishing.
Staff at Next Step Recycling, an electronics recycling nonprofit in Eugene, say they expect this new law to increase their capacity to provide their refurbished electronics to community members in need. They say they distributed more than $70,000 worth of computers in 2024. That was a record-breaking year for the nonprofit, and this bill will help them give out even more in the future.
Having these bills passed that help us to get this much-needed technology that's a barrier for so many into the hands of those that need it, and supporting their future success, whether it's in school or just in life in general, to me, that's what it's all about, right?
Reporting in Eugene, I'm Madison Yeesh.